The future is dark. Set in the year 2077, MT3 Cyber is a futuristic battleground inhabited by hackers, corporate despots, punks, and mercenaries. Where neon lights leave false reflections, and AI machines leave humans playing catch-up, it's every man, woman, and robot for themselves. Designed by MiTo, MT3 Cyber pairs raw purple keys with searing pink, yellow, and green legends for a digital look to upgrade any board in need of implants. The seemingly chaotic colorway is a nod to the cyberpunk genre and the real-life constraints of MT3 tooling. From the IBM terminal to the desktop, based on the profile form the iconic IBM beamspring terminals of the 1970s, this custom set is fully sculpted in high profile. From its heavily slanted design to the scooped, contoured tops of each cap, the set recreates the feel of vintage keyboards. Doubleshot legends. As opposed to a die sublimation process, these doubleshot legends are permanently molded inside the keycap, thus becoming an integral part of it. This ensures reliable legends and continuity throughout the set. Base kit covers HHKB, 60%, 65%, and TKL keyboards. Add a numpad kit for full-size and 1800 layouts. Top reviews from the United States. Not worth the money, but I would still get. Yay, it's quite expensive and not really worth the money, but this kind of argument can be made with every luxury item. The quality is good, profile is great. All the lettering are crisp and clear. Really no complaints here. If you like the color and profile and can afford this, I would definitely recommend.